Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the access denied error on Claude AI in 2026. So if Claude suddenly stops loading or blocks you from signing in, don't worry. I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step. First, try refreshing the Claude AI page. Sometimes the error appears because of temporary browser or server issues. A quick refresh can occasionally fix the problem instantly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted website data can block access or cause login problems. So, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear cached files plus cookies. One of the biggest reasons for this error is using a VPN or proxy service. Claude AI may block suspicious or overloaded IP addresses. If you're using a VPN, temporarily turn it off and try loading the website again. If the issue still continues, open Claude AI in another browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. I mean, browser extensions or security settings can sometimes interfere with access. Now make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak or restricted networks may prevent Claude from connecting properly. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help test whether the issue is network-related. Sometimes the issue is actually from Claude's servers and not your device, so visit the official status page to check whether there's an outage or maintenance happening. If nothing works, contact the official Claude support team, explain the exact error message and include screenshots if possible. This helps them identify account or access problems faster. And that's how to fix the Claude AI Access Denied error in 2026. Usually clearing browser data, disabling VPNs, or changing browsers solves the issue pretty quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to check out more quick tech guides. Hey everyone,